Have you ever walked into an elevator, saw a neighbor, and immediately pulled out your phone just to avoid talking? Or maybe you were standing in line for coffee, wanting to say something to the person next to you, but your mind just went blank? It happens to the best of us. We freeze, we get nervous. But here is the truth. Those little moments, those tiny conversations, are the key to unlocking confidence in English. Today, I am going to guide you through real-life small talk situations, from the street to the office. I will tell you exactly what to say, and you are going to practice with me. By the end of this video, you won't just know English, you will feel ready to use it. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Today is not about textbooks. It's not about memorizing long lists of grammar rules that you'll never use. Today is about living English. We are going to go on a journey together. I want you to imagine I'm right there with you. We'll go to a cafe, we'll walk down the street, we'll go to the office, and we'll even hit the gym. In each place, I will give you the natural phrases native speakers use. Not the robotic stuff, but the real words people say every day. And here's how we'll do it. I will say a phrase, and then I want you to say it out loud after me. This is called shadowing. It's the fastest way to train your mouth to speak English naturally. So, are you ready? Let's start our day. Scenario 1, the coffee shop. Imagine it's 8 a.m. We're walking into a busy coffee shop. You can smell the roasted beans, and you hear the sound of the espresso machine. It's loud and lively. You're standing in line, and there's someone behind you. This is the perfect moment for small talk. You don't need a big topic. You just need to comment on what's happening right now. Here's a classic line. Look at the long line of people and say this. Wow, it's really busy in here this morning. Now you try. Go ahead. Wow, it's really busy in here this morning. See? Simple. You're just stating a fact. Here's another one if the line is moving slowly. I think everyone needs their coffee today. Your turn? I think everyone needs their coffee today. Now, let's say you get to the front and you order. The barista hands you your drink. You shouldn't just walk away silently. Give them a warm smile and say, "Thank you. Have a great shift." Try that. Thank you. Have a great shift. It's a small thing, but wishing them a good shift sounds very native and very kind. It shows you know the culture, not just the language. Scenario 2, the street and weather. All right, we have our coffee. Now we're walking outside. The air is a bit crisp. Maybe there are some gray clouds in the sky. Weather is the #1 topic for small talk because it affects everyone. You can talk about the weather with a CEO or a bus driver, and it works every time. Imagine you're waiting at a crosswalk next to a stranger. They look up at the sky. You can say, "Looks like it might rain later." Give it a try. Looks like it might rain later. Or if the temperature dropped suddenly, you can say, "The weather changed so fast today, didn't it?" Repeat that. The weather changed so fast today, didn't it? Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is talking about the weather boring? Not at all. It's safe, it's friendly. In fact, if you search for Master Small Talk in Everyday English on the internet, you'll find that weather is always the first lesson. Why? Because it's the bridge to a longer conversation. If they answer you nicely, you can keep talking. If they give a short answer, you just smile and keep walking. No pressure. Let's try one more positive one. Imagine it's a beautiful, sunny day. What a perfect day for a walk. Your turn? What a perfect day for a walk. Scenario 3, the office. Okay, we've walked to work. We're entering the office building. This is where small talk is very important for your career. It builds trust with your colleagues. You're in the elevator, the lift, and a coworker steps in. You don't want to stare at the floor. Try asking about their commute. It's a very common topic. How was the traffic this morning? Try it. How was the traffic this morning? If they say it was bad, you can reply with empathy. Oh, I hate that. At least you made it. Say that with me. Oh, I hate that. At least you made it. Now, imagine you're in the office kitchen getting some water. It's a Monday morning. The question everyone asks is about the weekend. Did you do anything fun this weekend? Your turn. Did you do anything fun this weekend? And if they ask you, keep your answer simple but interesting. Don't just say no. Say, it was relaxing. I just caught up on some reading. How about you? Try that full response. It was relaxing. I just caught up on some reading. How about you? Always throw the ball back. How about you is the magic phrase that keeps a conversation flowing without you doing all the work. Scenario 4. The gym. After work, let's head to the gym. The gym can be a quiet place, but sometimes you need to speak to someone, maybe to ask if they're using a machine. You want to be polite but direct. You see a machine, but someone is standing near it checking their phone. You can ask, "Excuse me, are you using this?" Try it. "Excuse me, are you using this?" If they say no, you say, "Thanks." If they say yes, you can ask, "Do you mind if I work in between your sets?" This is a bit more advanced, but very useful. Work in means taking turns. Do you mind if I work in between your sets? Or if you see a regular face you always see at the gym, you can just nod and say, "Good workout today?" Simple and friendly. Good workout today? Recap and confidence. We have gone through a whole day. Coffee shop, street, office, and gym. You see, you don't need complex words to sound human and connection ready. Many students think they need big vocabulary to be respected. That is false. Simple, clear, and friendly language is what wins people over. So the next time you feel that fear rising when a neighbor walks by, I want you to remember this video. Take a deep breath, smile, and just say, "Hi, nice weather today, isn't it?" That tiny step changes everything. You stop being an observer and you start being a participant in the English-speaking world. If you found this practice helpful and want to keep building your confidence with me, please hit that like button. It really helps the video reach more learners like you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, 10-Minute English Academy. I have so many more lessons coming that will help you speak fluently and fearlessly. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did a great job. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.